Have you ever seen a sour guava tree? This is amazing tropical fruit is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits. Sour guava is rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and dietary fiber. These nutrients help strengthen the immune system, support healthy digestion, and protect the body from harmful free radicals. Regular consumption may help improve gut health and contribute to better heart health. The fruit is also known for its low calorie content and high fiber levels, making it a good choice for people who want to maintain a healthy weight. Some studies suggest that guava may help support healthy blood sugar levels when included as part of a balanced diet. Sour guava trees grow best in warm tropical and subtropical regions. The trees thrive in sunny locations and can produce fruits throughout much of the year. Whether eaten fresh, made into juice, or used in jams and desserts, sour guava is a nutritious fruit that deserves more attention. Have you ever tasted sour guava? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing fruit videos.